Hey guys, welcome back to Vlog124. Today we're going to be restoring the Toshiba laptop that we use on all the other videos, like using Windows 11 Lite and stuff. We're going to be restoring that back to Windows 7 because I want to do some stuff with Windows 7 in future videos. And I thought it would make a good video to restore an old laptop with all its drivers intact back to Windows 7 since it was its original operating system. So yeah, I'm just going to grab the Toshiba out and we can get started. Hey guys, so I've grabbed the Toshiba out now, and I just need to go grab its power adapter now so we can get started. So I'll just do that now, and we can power on the Toshiba right now. Hey guys, so I've grabbed the power adapter for the Toshiba, and now we can get started. So all I need to do is plug the keyboard in, and since the keyboard on this Toshiba laptop is kind of half, not that good, so we need to plug an external keyboard in first, so I will just do that to the side here, and then you can plug in our flash drive. So let's start now. I don't know how Windows 7 will actually react because the operating system on here right now is Windows 11 Lite, so don't know how it'll act to it being. So let's just hit Windows 7 64-bit on the Pt1 thing. Windows is loading files, and yeah, you can get started. Now, to install Windows 7 on here. So that's actually quite loading quite fast since modern flash drives, it's not as slow as DVDs for what Windows 7 would be on. So Windows is loading files, starting Windows. Oh, I missed that old Windows 7 start screen, so that's good. That's back, so yeah. Also, this is actually my first time interfacing with Windows 7 setup. So I'll just wait for this to load here and then we can get started. Hey guys, so Windows is finished loading up on its install screen. Actually, what happened is I hit the camera button to stop recording and just loaded straight away. So Windows has finished loading, so we can hit next. Install now. Setup is starting. I still don't know what it's going to think of since there's Windows 11 Lite. There's a newer NT version on here, so I don't know what it's going to think what OS is on here. So we might have to just use Hiren. Is Miss saying, yeah, if you have a floppy drive, there's installation media, you can safely move it. Okay. No device drivers were found. Make sure the installation media contains correct drivers. Browse the local disks. See it detects. Drivers are found. Looks like we might actually have to make it compatible with older NT versions. So we might actually have to load it up with Hiren boot CD, and then we can, get started installing Windows 7. Since I have nothing else planned for this week, so shut it down. Yeah, I'm just guessing that it didn't properly install drivers when Windows 11 Lite was on here. I think I know what's the case, so let's just boot into disk management here. MBR might be interfering with this. So let's just go down to USB again. We need to go back onto Hiren. So Hiren boot recovery. Glad there's a portable version of Windows installation on here, so we need to just wait for Hiren to load up and I'll restart the video then. Hey guys, so Hiren boot recovery has loaded up. Now we can try just erasing the disk first. If that doesn't work, what we might have to do is convert the partition table over so Windows 7 might recognize it. Since that's what happened to me a couple of last year when I was working on a computer that I didn't showcase on this channel, But yeah, that's what happened to me. So Windows refused. It was Windows 10 install, but it like refused to install itself. So it's connecting to virtual disk service. Takes a while to connect. So once this connects to virtual disk service and loads all up, we are good to go. I might just start the video then again. So yeah, see you guys then. Hey guys, so this management took a while to load, but now we can finally start delete volume. Hit delete. And delete volume, hit delete. So there, that worked. Maybe convert to like GPT might work, but we can try that after we load back on to Windows 7. So let's just shut it down. So there, just shut that down. Try another drive now, so plug my other USB that has 7 on it. So hit the boot key. Okay, boot key is on. Say USB. Since what I'm just guessing is Windows 11 Lite just screwed something up, so that's why we're doing Windows 7 now. And like Windows 11 just screwed something up with the drive. But Windows is now loading files. It's going pretty fast, so which is good. So come on. Yeah. This is finished loading files. It should just starting Windows now. Come on, Windows 7. You're a good operating system. So yeah, this Toshiba actually has a Windows 7 sticker on it, so that's one reason why we're storing this over like the Acer or the HP or something. So yeah, it's just setting it up. Setup is starting. And yeah, so required CVD driver is missing. If you have floppy disk CD, please insert it now. CDD drive, you can safely remove it for the step. Okay. Yeah, no drives can be things, so rescan maybe? No drives were found, so we might actually have to get device drivers for it as well, so might have to go and do that. But I'm just gonna exit out again, and maybe we'll just end up installing Windows 10 and back on this or something like that. But yeah, I would have hoped that Windows 7 worked, since I really want Windows 7 on here. So yeah, maybe we'll just end up installing, since this Toshiba needs an operating system on it. So I'm gonna show Ethernet, no bootable device found. So press the key. Let's have to boot it real quick. Or it might just be my flash drive acting up. Could be. But let's go back to USB-A, and then we can. I won't bore you with this, so I'll just load it straight into disk management. Rebooting Hiron and that, so I'll just end the video now, and we'll just reboot into Hiron. So yeah, see you guys then. Hey guys, so Hiron is now loaded. So what we can try do now is convert to GPT disk. So what that has just done is like converted its partition style, so we could do new simple volume and the whole disk, drive letter F. We'll name it W install. So there, W install, finish, and now hopefully Windows 7 will load, otherwise we're going to be putting Windows 10 back on here, since, yeah, to like do normal stuff. So, that is done. Again, we can just shut it down. Bring out our other drive, so Toshiba loading invention. So then USB again. So Windows 7 64-bit. I might just go out and get drivers for this thing as well, if Windows 7 doesn't detect it now, or I'll just install 10. So, yeah. Okay, so Windows is loading files now. Starting Windows. We could also try repair computer, see if that'll do anything, but yeah. I'm gonna try to get Windows 7 back up on here, so might not work since this had like Cloud Ready on it when I first got it. Then Chrome OS Flex, Windows 10 and Windows 11 Lite have been the only other operating systems on here, so might just be like sick of getting other operating systems. Might just not want to put 7 back on here. Browse Windows installation media. Okay. The installation media contains. Okay, so we can do W install. Okay. We'll go back. Okay. So exit. Yep. Exit our setup. Repair your computer. This version of system recovery options is not compatible with this version of Windows. You're trying to repair, so blah blah blah. Maybe it's like, yeah, this could be that my Windows 7 is broken and it just doesn't want to work properly. So we could just install 10. This would make for a great video title. Windows 7 installation goes very wrong. So yes, I want to quit the installation. Why not? Put my other drive back in. Okay, load up the USB. VT loading, so I forgot the arrow keys don't work on this keyboard again, so Windows 10, x64, enter. So maybe this will work. I'm hoping it works, so yeah. Although the Windows 11 Lite just really screwed up a bunch of things while I was on here, so yeah, that'll be fun. So it's just loading files now, the anxious wait. Since I'm pretty sure we can like get Windows 10 drivers for this exact model of laptop, since Toshiba released them. Well, Dynabook and Toshiba, I don't know why Toshiba drivers are on Dynabook's website, but they are. So yeah, that should be fun. Windows 10 is now loading up on here. 7 was a lot faster when loading up, but it's just because the other flash drive, but yeah. Hoping this 10 works on here. So, install now. Please work. Please work Windows 10. My only will save you. So please work. Please work. Setup is starting. Yeah, I'm just hoping it works. Please just work. I don't have a product key. Why not? Douse myself with Windows 10 Pro. Was the last date modified? I accept the license agreement. Custom install. Oh yes, yes. Maybe this is just the case. We need to install Windows 10 on here and like install its drivers, and then next video we could like install 7 on here. Yes. So I want to go and continue. Windows can't be installed on partition 1. Show details. Select a GPT partition style. Format, eh? Delete. So there, it's going to be installed on the unallocated space. So there you go, Windows 10, go. Yep, so let's put you guys on a time lapse now. This is going to be a part 1 video of me trying to get Windows 7 installed on this laptop. But next video, hopefully we can get that. So I'll just put you guys on time lapse now. Hey guys, so Windows setup is done, so I'm actually going to be coming back to this later since I'm a bit busy now, so I'm just going to shut this laptop down and we'll start with this later. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so Windows is finished installing and I'm back. I'm not that busy now, so let's set it up, eh? So we definitely ain't in the US. I don't know. It's probably because this laptop was shipped from the US to my other friend who gave it to me since he wanted to get rid of some computers and stuff. So I don't know why it's still thinking we're in the US. We're all the way in North Korea. I'm joking. I don't live in North Korea, but yeah. Okay, so basics, doing setup. Okay, US keyboard layout, that is correct. Skip, I don't want to add a second layout. It's probably going to ask for the Wi-Fi password. Please don't ask for the Wi-Fi. I'm just going to put you guys away now for a second, so I'll just blur it out, eh? I don't even know what the Wi-Fi password is, so I'll have to go check, so see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I've just entered in my network password. It's saying that now they have some important setup to do. I'm surprised it still hasn't asked me for my Microsoft account yet. Maybe it'll ask me later, but once this network setup thing is done, so I will come back and like show you guys what other steps we have to do. Hey guys, so after a while now, it's finally asking for an email address, so we could do setup for personal use, since I don't have an organizational Microsoft account. I'm just gonna like thing this now, so like I'm just gonna stop recording so I can enter my email in and password in. So I'll see you guys once I've done that. Hey guys, so now it's just saying just a moment, so I've just entered my thing in. It's asking us to create a pin code now, so let's do that. We'll make it like 2005 or something. Okay, or 1234 would be good. Yeah, 1234. 1234. Okay. Complexity requirements, common number pattern. Can't be a common number pattern. How about 1324? 1324. 1324. Okay. So let's do that as a pin code for the account. Should just, I don't know why it ain't just picking up the thing from my other account on the Acer, since I use the same email on it. I don't know why it's not picking up the pin code from its thing. I'll agree to all of its thing. I don't want its internet services or anything. I don't want to use my Android phone. And thank you, since it's Windows 10 is only going to be temporarily on here. So I can only save files to this computer. Just a moment now, it's probably going to do that. Hi, we're welcome. Decline. Decline that free trial, so. Discover, no thank you, PC Game Pass. Must have updated somehow, since it wasn't showing that on like other installs. So now it's just doing that hi, we're welcome. So yeah, we're getting everything ready for you. Okay, this might take several minutes. It doesn't usually take several minutes, it only takes like a couple of seconds for me usually. It's just doing that, a little stupid thing. So what I'll do now is I'll just pause the video and then we can come back. Hey guys, so this is it. So Windows 10 is done installing. All works perfectly fine. So this is it for today's video, but next week hopefully we can get Windows 7 up on here. So I was just thinking that Windows 10 contains a lot of device drivers for like drives and stuff, so it might already have the device drivers intact in order to downgrade. Wait. This gave me an idea. How about we downgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 7? Because if I go to control panel here, I think it's control panel. So control panel. Just the hardware backup and restore to Windows 7. That's still an option. So yeah, backup and restore to 7. So set up backup, restore your files, create a system image. Yeah, we could get downgrade to Windows 7 from here. Backup and restore to Windows 7. So we could theoretically just restore from backup and restore to Windows 7. So we could restore back to Windows 7 from Windows 10 if that doesn't end up working. So yeah, we can try that next video. But yeah, this is just a part 1 of Windows 7 installation gone wrong part 1. That's going to be the title of the video. But yeah, see you guys next week, and yeah, stay safe, and see you guys next week.